Hi everyone, let's clean the detergent dispenser hose and vent hose of an LG front load washing machine. Even after running several tub clean cycles, my wife says that we occasionally get brown marks on our clothes during the wash cycle. First, unplug the power cord and remove the two rear plastic brackets. Then slide the lid back and lift off the lid. A 9/32 socket and a 6-inch extension will make the job easier. Here's the location of the detergent dispenser hose and the front clamp and rear clamp. Here's a top view of the front hose clamp. Loosen the front hose clamp and then slide off the front end of the hose. Here's a top view of the rear hose clamp. A nut driver handle will make loosening the rear clamp easier. Then slide off the rear end of the hose and remove the hose from the washing machine. And here's the buildup of gunk and sludge in the hose. I'm not sure what this is because we only use high efficiency liquid detergent. Next, we'll remove the float assembly located at the port for the rear end of the hose. The top half can be removed with your fingers, and the bottom half can be removed with a thin wire hook. It wasn't until after I cleaned the bottom half that I realized it could be removed from the port. In addition to cleaning the float assembly, also clean the port with a brush and rag. Please note the keyway for proper reinstallation of the bottom half. Reinstall the bottom half first, followed by the top half. And after a thorough cleaning, reinstall the detergent dispenser hose. Now we'll tackle the vent hose by first loosening the front hose clamp with the 9/32 socket. Then remove the front end of the hose and remove and clean the float. Next, remove the rear hose clamp with a pair of pliers and remove the vent hose. And we found more gunk and sludge. Thoroughly clean and reinstall the float and vent hose. Finally, reinstall the lid, rear brackets, and power cord. If you found this helpful, please click the like button and check out some of my other videos.